Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing cucumber face mask at home. It's super simple, incredibly soothing, and perfect for those days when your skin needs a little TLC. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need half a cucumber, peeled and chopped. For extra hydration and moisture, you can also add a tablespoon of plain yogurt and a tablespoon of honey. But these are totally optional. Now let's get blending. Place your chopped cucumber in a blender or food processor and blend until you get a smooth paste. If you're adding yogurt and honey, mix them into the cucumber paste until everything is fully combined. Before applying the mask, make sure your face is clean. Spread the mixture evenly over your face, but avoid your eyes and lips. This is your time to relax. Leave the mask on for about 15-20 minutes and enjoy the cooling sensation. After your mini spa session, rinse the mask off with lukewarm water and gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. Don't forget to follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in all that hydration. So, what makes this mask so special? Cucumber is rich in water content, which helps to hydrate and soothe your skin. It also contains vitamins and antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and irritation. Yogurt provides moisture and contains lactic acid, which can help gently exfoliate the skin. And honey has natural antibacterial and moisturizing properties, making it great for keeping your skin soft and clear. This cucumber face mask is suitable for most skin types and can be used once or twice a week for best results. Give it a try and let your skin thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you next time.